case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2000, the Massachusetts Superior Court handled the case of Citizens for Citizens, Inc. v. Lambert, which focused on the necessity of a competitive bidding process when awarding contracts for procurement-related services. CFC sued the city of Fall River and Mayor Edward M. Lambert, Jr. for payment for asbestos removal and training services provided to local schools. The defendants argued that the contract extension was unenforceable due to non-compliance with legal requirements, and the court ultimately agreed, granting summary judgment on all counts in their favor. The court ruled that a competitive bidding process is essential for the awarding of contracts for procurement-related services, and neither the 1997 contract extension nor the alleged AHIRA reinspection services contract was in compliance with the necessary legal requirements. As a result, both were declared void and unenforceable.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.